Hello there, it's Robin again. I'm out here at the hives as promised. I've got a little setup here. They're both up off the ground. The back part of the hive should be raised up a little bit to let rainwater run out, but I think it's all right for right now. I got two pretty active looking hives right here. The funny thing is, it was just a quick rain shower, and before the rain shower, the hive on the left looked more active, and now the hive on the right looks, they are hot. A couple things I've learned since my last video is my hives technically need to be facing the south, so I'm gonna move them within the next couple days. I got a space set up for them so they can be facing the south. I don't know if you can see this here. This is my yard. Here it's all open space right here, so this is actually a good windbreak right here, if you can see. Over other side of that barrel around the corner is a field, and Farmer Larry farms the field over there. I think this tree break is enough to prevent my bees from getting any of the chemicals Farmer Larry uses in this field. Well, it's actually my field, but whatever. So there's that. On the right, I got deep hive body, 3 medium supers on top, and then the cover. The top super I added myself because my mentor said that was fine because I had a super full of honey. What I should have done was put the empty super between two old ones, which would have then forced them to fill up the empty super with honey. But I'll fix it at some point. The left is just a deep hive body and 2 medium supers actually those are shallow supers, my bad, they're all shallow supers. And that's exactly how it came from the bee man. It's a little trashy right there. It's no rhyme or reason to the stuff laying on the ground. The one thing I need to do this evening is protect my hives against skunks and raccoons. I'm going to do that by putting a little bit of wire down near the entrance, and what that'll do is it'll cause whatever the critter is to stand up, and they'll get stung in the belly and go away. Otherwise, what they do is they kind of knock on the hive, and the guard bees come out and they eat them. So we don't want that to happen. So I'll put a little barrier there to make them stand up, and then they get stung in the belly and they'll go away. Little interesting thing here. These bees on the right hive are really, really active. Lots of bees flying around. It's very interesting to me to watch their flight pattern. Let me see, I'm going to try to zoom in here and see if you can I'll be quiet. You can see that there. I'm not wearing any protection right now, so I'm not going to roll up there on the hive. And then if you look at on the left, they're still active, but they're just not as active as the others. I also put a queen excluder in this hive on top of the second up from the bottom super. So there's a screen separating them. So the top two is just going to be honey purely. The bottom two are going to be brood. And that's how we're going to work with this summertime. Spring also. This one over here, I have not put a queen excluder in yet because I have not seen the queen. I saw the queen in the other one. I just haven't done a full inspection enough to look for the queen in this one, which I'll probably do sometime next week. So that's that. I did read today that I need to be careful moving him. Can't move him too far away or I'll lose bees because they'll go back to the old location. I think my new location is close enough, but I might do it in steps. Move it a few yards and then move it a few yards another day. But they're definitely going to be facing south by here in the next couple days and be in a different location that I can walk completely around. It's going to be 2 separate pallets so that I can walk 360 degrees around the hive, and also so that I can mow around them. And I guess that's about it for this video. Hopefully our next video we'll actually get into a hive, pull out a couple frames, and look at some brood and some queen cells and some honey, and that'll be cool. So thanks for watching.